Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going on a road trip, and guys, we're traveling from Clarendon to St. Elizabeth. We're going to Little Ochi to buy fish for Sunday dinner. And so guys, so let's go on this road trip. Him heart must jump. That's true. So guys, this is Spur Tree Hill. I hope I'm saying it right. Spur Tree Hill. And I always tense up when I'm going down this hill. Thank God I'm not the one driving. But the view is awesome and made up for me being so tense going down this hill. And in all honesty, if I should get a piece of land in Jamaica to build a house, I would want it right on top of that hill, because that view is amazing. And the breeze that's coming, you don't need any air conditioner whatsoever. Look at that nice view, guys. This is awesome.
If you clean on the man overtake come right for me. Look how long we have break from. Look how far we have break from. How far we have break from.
When I'm dead, I'm gone.
You gotta drive too full. Anyway, you must have to give back don't machine me.
Say call the boss.
No, call me. I try to call the boss. I'm not get the boss, brother.
Call him, man. I call whatever.
Turn out that.
They call Moon.
Me a driver.
They call Moon and I know.
Yeah, come on, for me. Come on, for me to bombard you.
Okay guys, so now we're passing a scallion farm. Over here they plant a lot of scallion.
Thanks, Gary.
In time. And we have arrived in Little Ochi. Let's go get some fish from the guys who just came in a few hours ago, I'm told. So let's go get some fresh fish. And guys, if you're ever in Jamaica and you know you're staying local and you want fresh fish, this is the place to go. And once you buy your fish, there's people standing by that will clean it for you. So when you go home, all you have to do, you know, just wash it with your lime and your vinegar or whatever it is that you wash your fish with, and just throw your seasoning on and just get ready to cook up these fish. They taste so good. Look at those nice, beautiful fish.
I am back for you now, sir.
No, first somebody will always have to steal them and done it. I see a price, everybody else selling for some. Make sure I got really good.
No, that sun not look clean. Yeah, I could see him, but I don't know. Sun. Guy is cleaning those fish for us. And of course, as you can see, the seagulls behind him, they're having the time of their life because it's lunchtime for them. And that just beautiful scenery in the background from the ocean. This is not the beach that you would swim in. This is just where, you know, the boats come in. So this is why the water is a little bit dirty. So you wouldn't take a swim in this ocean right here for sure.
look over there. If she can see and her brother do it. I mean, you can see something.
Alright guys, so we got our fish. We got a bucket, a brick of ice, and they break the ice up, put it on the fish because we're going to be traveling back about an hour and a half or hour or so, depending on my driver today. But it's raining as well. So we're traveling through Manchester, and of course you guys know who this beautiful lady is, Miss Sharalee Ralph, Jamaica's own superstar in the United States. And we're traveling through Manchester, and this is Manchester High School, and it's raining on and off, guys, so you know we have to take our time, of course. And we had to stop and get some juicy beef patty and cocoa bread, and you know, hungry, you always have to stop at Juicy Beef no matter what, because once you hit that area, that smell just come and hit you and say, come and buy me, come and buy me.
I don't like the cheap rate.
But guys, I'm gonna enjoy this beef patty.
That one beer come to me, your friend.
So guys, here we are, and it's Sunday. Fast forward to Sunday, guys, where we cooking up a storm: jerk pork, salad, fish, rice and peas, roast breadfruit, and just enjoying, you know, Jamaica. And of course, you know, friends and family stop by, and you know, we're gonna enjoy some music. So guys, enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you on my next video. All right, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Angel Delight is coming to you from Jamaica. All right guys, enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you on my next video. So guys, this is Darky, and he is doing the waggy tail. And of course, you guys, as you can see, he wants the camera on him. Everyone tries to come in his video. He's fanning them off with his stick. So he's doing this thing called a waggy tail. And of course, here comes Mr. Shine, and he don't want Shine in his video. So he's telling Shine, go away from here, so boy. And him claiming gonna bust up the internet today. So guys, enjoy Mr. Darky and his new move called a waggy tail.
Like you got you when I'm a look for your Yo! Yo! Darky! After you're going on, oh! Yo, Darky, sidestep the deal. Sidestep. Sidestep. What the deal for? Walk it. Walk it. Walk it. Walk it here. Walk it. Walk it. Walk it. Walk it here. Come on, Tyrone. Come on, Tyrone. Come on, Tyrone. Whoa! Love it here. Darky, do the what you love it here. Watch it here. Watch it here. Come. Watch it here. Come. The love what you here. Darky. Yo, that thing you bust on the internet. The internet popped up. Yo, no more internet no left. No more internet no left.
What? Yeah, man, I fridge. I fridge. Not even thinking of the consequences. No. But I have to
the tail and the big belly. Want to see the waggy tail and the big belly? Which one win? The waggy tail and the big belly. Which one will take over? Let's see the waggy tail and the big belly. Yeah, right now. Waggy tail and lead. Right now, waggy tail and lead. Want to see a big belly take over waggy tail? Go, big belly. Waggy tail. Waggy tail. Walk it here! Walk it here! Yeah! Walk it here and get some competition, you know. Walk it here, stop up your thing. What? Go! I want the ball. I want the car walk. I want the car walk on the stick. Yo! I want the car cool and walking. I want the car cool and walking. Yo! Cool and walking. Cool and walking. Cool. Yo! Get up with the cool. Rocky! You find a new one. The cool and walk. I want to dance up in the night, man. Gonna take it, gonna take the lead tonight. Work it! Work it! Work it! Work it! Work it! Yo! You like how you teach him the waggy? You see him learn the waggy part? Yes, him learn the waggy